Let's learn how to play this fun G minor blues lick. So to play this quick, easy blues lick in G minor, first we're going to go over your G minor blues scale. We're going to start here on G, and this is the pentatonic scale, the pattern that almost everybody knows. And then the only thing different to change it to a blues scale, we're just going to put in a flat 5 here. Because here's your 4th, C, and D is your 5th. So we're just going to put that flat 5 in there. So it's going to sound like this. There's your flat 5 as well. So that is how you play your G minor blues scale. So to play this lick, what I did here is on the downbeat of 1, it's staccato, it's real short. I just hit a G, basically it's just a G power chord here. I have the root 5th and root, or G, D, G here. When you play this, you want to make sure that you're using your first finger to mute out strings 1, 2, and 3. That way, you don't want to hear, that doesn't sound horrible, but you don't want to hear those extra strings ringing. So I'm playing a power chord on the downbeat of 1, and then I'm switching over here with my 3rd finger. So I'm going like 1 and playing this G on the end of 1. Now the next part, this is a pretty easy basic guitar or blues guitar lick, except for beat number 2, where you have to play 5/16 notes in the space of 4. So to do that, what I do is I would first get used to physically doing it, going 5, 6, 5, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would get used to playing it, and then I generally don't worry about whether I'm playing it, all the 16th notes perfectly even. If I start on the downbeat of 2 and I end up here on the downbeat of 3, I don't worry too much about the exact timing of those 5, because I know I just need to hit that target. Like I'm going to go, I need to come right in on that C there on beat number 3. So it goes 1 and play those 5. And then for beats, the second half of the measure, they're just 8th notes. So it's just 3 and 4 and. So that measure goes. And the second measure, I'm going 1 and 2 and it doesn't matter. At the end there, if you want to put vibrato, don't put vibrato. Hold it for 1 beat, hold it for 2 beats. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. So counting wise, the only one I'm not going to count is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's like going 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and the reason I like blues licks is you can play them anywhere. You can go up here and play it for A. You play it for C. You can move it around as long as you know where the root is, or the key that you're in. You can very quickly move this blues lick to any of the 12 keys. So that was my G minor blues lick. If you enjoyed learning this G minor blues lick and you want to learn some more licks, check out this playlist right here.